Hello everyone. Okay, what's happening? My trunk stopped working and I didn't know what's happened. Tesla wants like 275 to check it. They want like 600 with parts, blah blah blah. And I say no, let me check myself because 275 pay for this now. Then I did try locks, buttons, doesn't work. I find on the Tesla, I find basically recall about Hermes cable, like these things, what's go here, was broken inside or something and stopped working. I ordered a new one, connected straight, and everything works. Now I need to just put everything nicely back and done. Okay, I did have problem with trunk, it didn't work. I ordered lock, I ordered button, didn't fix. I find recall on the Tesla website about 2017 to 2022 has problem with Hermes trunk cable, and I order one and here we go, everything works. Yes, I did connect straight because I want to make sure it is what's problem. Now we will take it old one, trash it and put new one. Thank you for watching.